Today I am reviewing the Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a remarkable combination of power, versatility, and convenience, making it a top choice for homeowners who want thorough cleaning without the usual hassle. From the moment you start using it, the lift-away functionality immediately sets it apart. With a simple push of a button, you can detach the portable pod and clean above-floor areas such as stairs, furniture, and curtains effortlessly. This feature makes it more than just a floor vacuum. It becomes a complete home cleaning solution. Whether you're tackling deep carpet fibers or delicate hardwood floors, the brush roll shutoff option gives you instant control, allowing you to transition from one surface type to another without missing a beat. The Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology, combined with a true HEPA filter, is another standout feature. It captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, including particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring that what you vacuum stays trapped inside. For allergy sufferers or homes with pets, this is an absolute game changer, as it prevents those fine particles from being released back into the air. Pet owners will also appreciate the specialized power and attachments that make removing stubborn pet hair a breeze. The vacuum is powerful enough to pull dander out of upholstery and carpets, and with the included pet power brush, you can tackle sofas, bedding, and other soft surfaces with ease. Maneuverability is another area where this vacuum shines. The swivel steering system allows you to guide the vacuum smoothly around furniture, tight corners, and tricky spots that many traditional vacuums struggle to reach. Cleaning under tables or around chair legs becomes a fluid, almost effortless motion. In addition, the extra-large capacity dust cup means fewer interruptions during your cleaning routine. With its 0.87-liter capacity, you can cover larger spaces before needing to empty it, and when it's time to do so, the process is quick and mess-free. The included crevice tool is perfect for those hard-to-reach spaces along baseboards, in tight corners, and even overhead areas like ceiling edges. Meanwhile, the dusting brush provides a gentle but effective way to clean delicate surfaces from blinds and lampshades to keyboards and ceiling fans, ensuring dust doesn't stand a chance anywhere in your home. The build quality of the Shark Navigator NV356E is sturdy and reliable, giving you confidence that it will handle heavy-duty cleaning for years. Its white and silver design gives it a sleek and modern look, blending nicely with any home environment. The vacuum is also surprisingly quiet for the amount of suction it delivers, so you can clean without creating excessive noise. Beyond its functionality, it's also lightweight enough to carry up and down stairs with ease, something you'll appreciate during longer cleaning sessions. Whether your home is mostly carpet, hardwood, tile, or a mix, this vacuum handles it all with equal effectiveness. And for pet owners, it's not just about hair removal. It's about creating a truly cleaner environment for you and your furry companions. With its HEPA filter and sealed system, allergens and fine dust particles are captured and contained, improving the overall air quality in your home. Overall, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E is more than just a vacuum. It's a multi-surface cleaning powerhouse designed to simplify your life while delivering professional-level results. Its combination of strong suction, versatile attachments, allergen-trapping technology, and user-friendly design makes it an excellent investment for anyone who values cleanliness and convenience. If you've been looking for a vacuum that can transition from carpet to hardwood, tackle pet hair with ease, and reach those tricky spots high and low, all while keeping your indoor air fresher and healthier, then this model should be at the top of your list. It's not just a cleaning tool. It's a reliable partner in maintaining a spotless, comfortable, and allergen-free home.